On 5th of January, on the occasions of Rongker Karbi Traditional Festival, Kadom Terangpi MEC of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council from Sarupathar Constituency distributed buckets and spoons through the village headmen as a token of love for the people. Rongker is an annual festival of the Karbi community observed on 5th of January and 5th of February. As per the report, it was informed that there are as many as 127 known villages under Sarupathar constituency practicing animism. Hence, on this occasion, 5 pairs of basket and spoon were distributed to every village under the constituency, which consequently garnered praises and appreciation from citizens for her warm gesture. The citizens are delighted as it was their first time seeing such type of gesture from their representatives since the time immemorial. Likewise, on 24th of December, on the occasions of Christmas Eve, Christmas cake were distributed to all the churches falling under Sarupathar constituency. Citizens applauded her for the initiative taken and also prayed for her and her family's well-being. In this distributions program, Kadom Terangpi, MEC of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, was accompanied by Silarson Rongpi, VDC Chairman Anil Togbi, and Rajen Rongpi, social activists. Anand Terang's report from Bukajan for Karbi Anglong Live.